Concept to shelf. The journey of a drug is a complex and long drawn-out process, often lasting 18 to 20 years. In this process involving discovery, preclinical studies and clinical trials, thousands of compounds are tried or rejected. We at CDRI are equipped with all the necessary manpower, equipment and expertise to carry out research through all such phases of scientific and regulatory requirements. This section of the film focuses on research carried out by CDRI on drugs for vector-borne diseases.
Millions of people are affected by malaria every year and quite a large number die.
The main focus was on malaria, and the clinical trial for the RT-Ether, that's the new drug which this institute licensed to industry and is now used in 41 countries, was completed in a record time. The clinical trial for 80/53, that is for the Plasmodium vivax, was also completed and the drug has been licensed to the industry.
After identifying the drug from a plant artemisinin, scientists here devised ways to synthesize the drug and its analogues for better action. The expertise in synthetic chemistry has thus become world-class.
We focused our total activities into 4 major areas. As a result, we developed 2 new drugs in the area of antimalarials, 97/78 and 99/411, which were licensed to IPCA for further development. And the third one was anti-osteoporosis drug, 99/373.
Besides the ones that are already in the market, CDRI has developed 2 more drugs for malaria. These new drugs are now under clinical trials. CDRI has mapped the genetic diversity of Indian populations in terms of their susceptibility to malaria. This closely maps with the malaria endemic areas and gives scientists new insights into the disease. Scientists here are now also looking at a cell organelle of the parasite with the aim of targeting it with specific drugs. Filariasis is also a tropical disease. Though mosquito-borne like malaria, filaria poses very different challenges to scientists. The institute has developed rodent models that mimic the growth of the parasite in humans, as well as methods to culture the parasite for understanding its physiology and genetics. Study of the immunological responses to develop vaccines that can prevent parasitic infections like filariasis and Kala Azar is also a high priority for CDRI. The institute is targeting actin molecules to stop the motility and reproduction of the parasite. Though it is prevalent only in some pockets of the country, India is emerging a world leader in the research on drugs for the disease.
We at CDRI are committed to keep up the tempo and discover many more drugs in the coming decades.
सुलझे हर अनसुलझी उलझन नव प्रकाश हर आंगन हो उत्तम सस्ती बने दवाएं सबके लिए उपलब्ध रहे गुणकारी और असरदार हो रोग विकार जो दूर करे